Hello everyone, welcome to this short introduction to Python brought to you by the London Academy of IT. Whether you are completely new to coding, looking to enhance your skills, or looking to switch your career, this video is a perfect place to begin. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is the Python? Python is what's known as a high-level general-purpose programming language. That means it abstracts away most of the complex details of the computer, so you can focus on solving problems, not managing memory or hardware. Python was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1981. It was designed to be easy to read, use, and learn, and it is stayed true to that philosophy ever since. It is completely free to use, modify, and share. A global community of developers contributes to its growth, ensuring it stays up to date and full of features. Today, Python is used everywhere, from startups to tech giants like Google, Meta, and Netflix. It's the foundation for many of the tools and apps we use every day. So whether you want to build software, crunch data, or automate tasks, Python is a great place to start. Python is one of the most versatile programming languages out there. Let's look at some of the key areas where it's widely used. Python is to go-to language for data analysis, machine learning, and AI. Tools like Pandas, NumPy, scikit-learn, and TensorFlow help data scientists gain insight and build predictive models. You can automate boring tasks like renaming files, scraping websites, or sending emails. Python makes repetitive work fast and efficient. Frameworks like Django and Flux make it easy to build powerful web applications quickly. Python powers sites like Instagram, Spotify, and Pinterest. Python can be used to build desktop applications and tools across operating systems. With libraries like Kiwi, Pygame, or even Unity support via Python scripts, you can build games and mobile apps with ease. Python is widely used for writing security tools and scripts for penetration testing, vulnerability scanning, and digital forensics. No matter what field you are interested in, there is a good chance Python plays a big role for you. So why should you choose Python as your first programming language or even as your next on? Python has a clean, readable syntax that's close to plain English. You don't need to worry about complex symbols or rules, which makes it perfect for beginners. Python is consistently one of the most in-demand programming languages worldwide. It's used in data science, web development, finance, automation, and more. So learning it opens many career doors. From Django or web apps to TensorFlow for AI, Python has libraries for almost anything. These tools help you build powerful solutions faster and with less code. Whether you are stuck on a bug or looking for learning resources, Python has one of the largest and most helpful programming communities. Sites like Stack Overflow, GitHub, and Reddit are full of Python experts ready to help. Python powers cutting-edge tech like AI and big data, skills that employers value. In short, Python is beginner-friendly, powerful, and backed by an amazing community, which is exactly what you need when starting your coding journey. Before you start coding in Python, you will need two things: Python itself and a place to write your code called an IDE. You can download the latest version of Python from python.org. Python comes with IDLE, which is a simple and easy IDE to get started with. If you are interested in data science, try Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab. Both supports code plus visual output. For general development, VS Code is very popular and lightweight. PyCharm is great if you want an all-in-one professional IDE, especially for large projects. Spider is another good option, especially for scientific computing. Choose the one that fits your learning style. There is no wrong choice to start with. Start by learning the basics like variables, loops, and functions. Practice regularly by writing simple programs such as calculators or quiz apps. Use free online platforms like W3 Schools or Replit or Hands-on Learning. Enroll in a structured course such as those offered by the London Academy of IT to get guided instruction and practical examples. Most importantly, build real projects. This helps solidify your skills and gives you something to show in your portfolio. And don't learn alone. Join coding communities where you can ask questions and get support. The key is consistency. Practice a little every day, and you will be surprised how quickly you improve. Now I'm going to show you a couple of sample Python learning paths suggested by the London Academy of IT. At first, start with the Python Programming for Beginners course. Once you have completed this course, you can choose a path that aligns with your career goals. For example, if you are interested in working with data, the Data and AI track is for you. Start with the data analysis with Python, then move on to data science and machine learning, and finally, explore AI and deep learning. On the other hand, if you are more focused on building web applications, the web development track is ideal. Begin with intermediate to advanced Python, then progress to using frameworks like Flask and Django to build powerful web apps. These structured learning paths are designed to help you gain practical, job ready skills at every step. All of these courses are available at the London Academy of IT. Interested in learning Python? At the London Academy of IT, we offer Python courses for all levels from beginner to advanced, available both in person and online. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you in class.